Here is the sketch, or let us simulate a ball on the road, and a force is applied to it like this. The situation is where Newton's first law of motion is applied. If you can see in the simulation, the ball is moving at constant speed. Constant speed meaning zero acceleration. And if there is no other force acting on the ball, it won't stop moving, and the scenario will continue endlessly. This is what the first law means. That another situation applying the Newton's law of motion. Block A is moving upward by an unknown speed. It moves upward due to the force exerted by another block. Though block A movement is influenced by block B, their speed is constant. But the question is, to which law of motion does the movement of blocks fall? Is it under Newton's first law of motion or the second law? Would you please put your answer in the comment section so that others see it, would share their opinion and answer? Thanks. Now I'll give you another scenario, and this time is a solving problem, and we will apply Newton's law of motion. Two blocks A and B, each weighing 250 Newton and are connected by a weightless flexible cable as shown. The coefficient of friction under block A and the plane is 0.2. Neglect the inertia of the pulley. What is the acceleration of the system? Number 2, what is the tension force T in the cable? Number 3, what is the distance traveled by the block A after 2 seconds? Now to proceed with the problem solving, we will work first on the pre-diagram of the two systems, the block A and block B. So let us draw the figure of the whole system so we can figure out what's happening. Then we will first work on block A free body diagram. We will draw a line here passing through the center of gravity of block A like this. Then let's draw a line here going downward, representing the weight of block A. If this angle is 30 degrees, then the angle here is also 30 degrees, since these two lines are parallel with each other. We can see here that a triangle is formed, so here the angle is 60 degrees since the sum of total angles in a triangle is 180. This is 90, here is 30, so 180 minus 20 is equal to 60 degrees. So that's why the angle here is 60 degrees. The horizontal component of weight is 250 times cosine of 60 degrees, while the vertical component is 250 times cosine 30 degrees. And the force due to friction, which is directed opposite of the motion, is 0.2 times 250 times cosine 30 degrees. Now let us draw next the pre-diagram of block B. So from this diagram, we can get these equations. So take note, the motion here is downward, so our acceleration is negative. From free body diagram of A, our equations are t minus 250 times cosine of 60 degrees minus 43.3 is equal to MA. T is equal to 125 plus 43.3 plus 250 times A divided by 9.81. Then, T is equal to 168.3 plus 25.48 times A. Equating the two equations, number one question is, what is the acceleration of the system? What is the force T in the cable? Number 3 question is, what is the distance traveled by block A after 2 seconds?